Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the service. In this Execulink Telecom Internet Provider review, I'll share my usage experience and offer a detailed analysis of their internet plans. I'll highlight key features, discuss who would benefit most from their services, and share my personal experience to help you make an informed decision. You'll find links to their plans and services in the description below. Execulink Telecom is a Canadian provider committed to delivering reliable and adaptable internet services to both urban and rural communities. They offer a diverse range of plans, encompassing fiber, DSL, and cable internet options, catering to a wide spectrum of user needs. For households requiring high speeds for activities like streaming, gaming, and connecting multiple devices, Execulink's fiber optic plans offer impressive performance with speeds reaching up to 1 gigabit per second in select areas. Meanwhile, their DSL and cable internet alternatives provide reliable options for users in areas where fiber optic service isn't yet available. A significant advantage of Execulink is their unlimited data plans. This eliminates the worry of overage charges and provides peace of mind for heavy internet users. Furthermore, Execulink offers various bundled packages that combine internet, TV, and phone services at reduced rates. This bundling option makes Execulink an attractive choice for families and businesses seeking to streamline their telecommunications needs under a single provider. Another notable feature is Execulink's focus on local communities and their commitment to excellent customer service. As a community-focused provider, Execulink prioritizes personalized support, prompt responses to inquiries, and dependable technical assistance. Their transparent pricing, frequent free installation offers during promotions, and no-contract options on many plans add further value and reassurance. My personal experience with Execulink's service has been positive, especially with their fiber connection. I experienced consistent speeds even during peak usage periods. The installation process was seamless, and their support team proactively ensured everything functioned correctly. However, it's important to note that availability can fluctuate depending on your location, particularly for their fiber plans, which are currently available in limited areas. In conclusion, Execulink Telecom is a strong contender for those seeking reliable service, unlimited data, and attentive customer support. It's particularly suitable for rural users who may find it challenging to secure robust internet options from larger providers. Check out the links in the description to explore their plans and determine if Execulink is available in your area. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and thanks for watching.